Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and basically what this is an ice making machine. And we see for the one that we got right here from this brand. And right here we see they do probably got some specs and features on the product. So they mentioned how it has a digital LED control for the display screen right here. They mentioned in one full day it can produce up to 26 pounds of ice, and that is only if you guys keep scooping out the ice. If you guys do leave the ice inside, then it will stop by itself. And do mention for the shape of the ice is like a bullet design. So this is basically what the package looks like when you guys first get it. Let me actually open up and take it out to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So the first thing inside right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set up and how to use it. And right underneath that, we do have the actual ice maker machine. So let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, you can see right here we do have the product. And right here, you can see we do have the cable. So first thing, let's take out the bag and the wrapper first to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, here is basically what the product looks like. So the front part right here, you can see we do have the brand logo. Top part right here, we do have the lid for you guys to open up. And then that is basically what the inside looks like. So inside right here is basically where it's going to produce the ice. And you do have a scooper inside that will push out the ice once they finish producing the ice inside. And you see inside right there, we do have a scooper option, and we do have a bucket as well. So take those out. So once you guys take out the basket inside and the scooper option, here is basically what the product looks like. So pretty much for this basket right here is where the ice can come out. And right here is basically a scooper option you guys can use to scoop up the ice. And the inside right here is basically where it's going to fill in the water. If you guys look really carefully inside, there is a line that says the max line. So when you guys fill the water, you don't want to go above that line. So that is basically what the inside looks like. If you guys notice for this part right here, it does give you guys a clear view design. So that you can see everything that's inside when it's producing the ice. And top part right here, you can see we do have the button control. So there's an on and off button and a select button. And right above that, you can see we do have the indicator light to let you guys know when you guys need to add more water. Right here, we do have the indicator light to show you guys when the ice is full. Right here, we do have the light to show you guys when it's on or off. And right here, we do have small or large. So it's actually pretty cool how the product allows you guys to make small ice or large ice. But that is basically what the product looks like on top. Here is the front. Here is the side. The side right here, you can see we do have the ventilation fan that will help you guys prevent it from overheating when you guys do use it. Right here is the back. And then right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So you can see in the bottom right here, they do give you guys an option to pull it out. So that way you can pour out all the water really easy when you guys are finished using it, if there is any more water inside. And you see the size of the product is actually not that big. It's actually pretty small and compact. So whether if you guys want to use it at home, in the office, or anywhere else, wherever you guys want to use it and how you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But now I'm just going to set this up to show you guys how it works. And we'll talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. First what I want to do is to take out the bucket and the ice scooper option first. And if you guys want to, feel free to wash it and rinse it first before you guys use it, especially if it's the first time using the product. Once you guys do that, now you're going to add the water inside. So in terms of the water, they mentioned how you probably want to add some distilled water. But I believe if you guys want to add regular water, that should be fine as well. So let's add some water inside first. Alright, so that should be good. Now you're going to put that in the bucket. And close back the lid. And press the power button, turn it on. Let me actually bring the camera a little bit closer to show you guys a close-up view of what the product looks like. Alright, so here is the top part. If you guys press the power button, right now we do have it set at large. And we see how the inside right here, it does move. So pretty much what's happening right now is filling up the water. And as you can see, that's producing the ice inside. But right here, we see we do have the scooper option that will help you guys push out the ice once it's done. So I'm going to do its own thing and we'll come back and check on it. So you can see how the ice falls down. So what's happening right now is just pushing it out. So once you push it out, it basically repeats the same step over again. So I'm gonna let this kind of build the ice by itself, and then we'll come back and check on it probably in like 30 minutes or so to show you guys how much ice it can produce. Alright, so it's been around like 30 minutes. You can see there's a lot of ice inside. And right here on top, you can see it does show you guys that the ice is full. So let's do open up. Here is basically what the inside looks like. So you see how it does stop creating ice once it's filled. But this is basically what the product looks like once it's filled. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice quick test of the product definitely actually does work. Actually worked quite well. So you see like the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long. Once you guys add the water inside, you guys can turn it on and put the basket inside and let it produce its own ice, just like how you guys saw in the video. And you see when you guys do produce the ice out, it actually looks pretty nice. And it didn't take that long to actually produce it as well. Like basically each round take around 5 to 7 minutes to produce the ice, if you guys can see from the video. But if you can see from the test when you guys do use it, it definitely does work. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want one of these warranties, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality portable compact ice making machine like the one that we have right here, where it can help you guys produce a lot of ice cube within like minutes. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.